Today, we're going to learn how to create Carnivorous Plants AI videos. And trust me, the entire process is much easier than you might think. Let's get started. First, we'll copy this prompt. You'll find the link in the description and the pinned comment below. Then, we'll send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate 10 different video ideas for us. We'll simply pick the one we like the most, send the idea number back to ChatGPT. Now, it's time to create our video. First, click Copy to Image Prompt. Then, head over to the Google Flow website. Click New Project, then select Image, 9:16, Nano Banana 2, and X1. Paste the prompt and hit Send. Once the image has finished generating, go back to ChatGPT and click Copy to Video 1 Prompt. Now, return to Google Flow once again. Click here and select Video, Frames, 9:16, OmniFlash, 8 seconds, and X1. Click on the generated image, choose Animate, paste the prompt, and press Send. After the first video finishes rendering, go to the last frame of the video and click Save Frame. Next, go back to ChatGPT and click Copy to Video 2 Prompt. Then, return to Google Flow, click on the saved image, choose Animate, paste the prompt, and press Send. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!